Hello, my name is Vesenia. Please leave a message after the beep.
Oh, I got it!
Is that the coochie coochie tree? Guys, I forgot we got a woohoo tree.
What she just said? Oh, that breaks my throat.
I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys when you even follow people that don't even know me and like they come and they raid and they show love. So like all that love goes to everybody in this Twitch community, which I appreciate for you guys, man. Like I don't expect you. I see some of you guys in other people's channel that I never met before, and I'm like, yo, what are you doing here? And they're like, yo, Vass, and I'm like, yo, and I had to like show support.
EYY baby, gimme yo number, Mr. Vesenio.
I'm so dead. Wiz out here with the dab, yo, dabbing for the Raiders, exact. You already know, man. You already know.